The reason why we need viewpoint diversity, why we need people to challenge us, is that we all suffer from confirmation bias. It's just something about the human mind, the way our reasoning works. It doesn't go out and say, well, what's all the evidence on this side? What's all the evidence on this side? We don't do that.
We do have instincts like curiosity, but counteracting that are a lot of features of human nature that get in the way of discovering the truth, such as the urge to be right.
We're often going to want to believe whatever is useful for us personally. Yes, we're all humans. The natural antidote is to have at least norms where people value trying to figure out what's true, when they value criticism, when they value review of each other's work and commentary on it. That has to be positively valued.
What the psychological research shows is that we start with an initial idea, and then you send your reasoning out and you only look for evidence that confirms what you believe, and you always find it. So because we all suffer from confirmation bias, the only way to solve it is through other people. Other people can challenge our confirmation bias.
Every single one of us knows that he or she is wrong about some things. I imagine that I could walk down the streets here in Princeton or any place else and ask people, are you wrong about some things, or are you infallible? And every single person would say, I'm wrong about some things. I'm not infallible. Now, of course, the little paradox is none of us knows which of those things we're wrong about. We know that we're wrong about some because we know we're fallible, we know we're imperfect, we know that our knowledge is partial, we know that we're prone to mistakes, and we make mistakes sometimes. But with respect to each individual belief we happen to hold at any moment, we believe it qua true. We think it's true, otherwise we wouldn't hold that belief.
We tend to use beliefs as identity badges. Affirming a particular belief is like wearing a Boston Red Sox cap. It shows where your loyalties are. And that, too, is going to run at cross purposes with developing beliefs that are actually true.
But that's why you need institutions where the norms are to resist that. And that's what science is supposed to be about. That's what the university is supposed to be about.
We need to understand that the person who challenges any of our beliefs, who is willing to provide reasons and arguments and evidence in favor of our changing our mind about something, is not our enemy. That's our friend.